So guys, for the first method, I know this may sound weird, but you want to make sure that your mouse is up to date. This has fixed the problem for some people. So you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other pointing devices, and you want to find your mouse. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, your mouse might come with a software. If you just type in your mouse manufacturer on Google and then type in software, you might find something, and you can update your drivers through here as well. So in my case, my mouse comes with this software. I'm going to click on my mouse and then go to settings. And as you can see, my firmware is up to date. This is the preferred option. If your mouse comes with a software, you want to update your mouse through there. There also may be some certain software or games that don't detect your mouse. So try using a different mouse on that software or game. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I got the Nvidia app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. If your graphics card has any updates, it's going to tell you. You can then download the latest updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in game mode settings. Click on it. You can try turning this off. See if that works. If not, then just turn it back on again. For the next method, you may have recently installed an application that has caused this problem for you. So we're going to go back to our restore point. So you want to go to search and type in create a restore point. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select system restore and then click on next. If you do have any restore points available, then you want to go to your restore point and then click on next and then go back to that restore point. See if that works. For the next method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works. For the last method, just uninstall your game or your application and then reinstall it again.